Give me all the access to all of the villains. Joker is at the park. Okay, good. That's good enough to know. Now it's time for me to go kill all of them. Who's with him? Batman, Alfred, come here, butthead. 'Cause you are one. Give me all of your money. No. Give me all of your money. No. Now will you give me all of your money? I don't think so. Now. Now it's time to take the test. Now it's time for you to die. Put the gun down. Batman, attack him now. Now it's time to defeat you. How did you get there so fast? Like, really? I don't know. Man, that was easy. Yeah. Now it's time to defeat you. Now it's time for you to give me my super kit. Now it's time for end you. Run for your life.